Hello and welcome to Wrestling Revolution. I have played this a lot, and I never got the chance to record this. So, well, let's just start anew. Even though I'm really good, I have the hiccups. I'm just gonna have to wait them out then. Alright. Ooh. Ooh, that's gonna be good. I can do... No. Oh, that's gonna be good. Yep. Oh. That's gonna be cool. Yeah, I'm just listing everything. Oh. There we go. What is this? Jeez. Some of these are just like, I'm gonna murder you. Wait, what was that? Oh my god, yes. God. Oh! This is gonna be awesome. I'm just saying everything's gonna be awesome at this point. Because most of them are. Yeah, that's gonna be. This is gonna be stunner, whatever. Yeah. Dang, dude. Alright. Let's... Gosh, I hiccups. Alright. Gonna put... That... 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 And that. Alright. This should be... cool. Alright, 101 versus Marauder. Let's do this. Ugh. Oh god. I can't remember this guy's name. He was like... He was back. It was pretty much a staged, like... attempted murder against the Undertaker. I remember him, but I don't... Oh. That's mean, man. Oh. He told you. Just gonna walk off screen now. Bye. Yeah. Oh. Fight me then. Get out of here. I'm gonna beat you dead. Uh, uh. Yeah, yeah, get him. Get him. Get him. No. Stop. Let me go. Yes, rope break. Oh, he got me. Run. Oh. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to be using this kick a lot. Oh, almost. Back off. Oh, oh my god, so close. I'm probably just like hiccuping in the mic so hard right now. Oh, just okay. All right, get up. Let me add him. No, let me. Oh my god, he's dead. He's so dead. Oh my god, is that a gun? Just get wrecked. I missed one. Oh, oh no. Please. Oh my god, how did I not hit him? Get off of me, Marauder. I don't need the lion tamer on me right now. Run. Huh. Stomping. Uh, 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 uh. Yeah. Stay away from me. Am I like smacking him? Tap out. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Hiccups center. Come on, pin. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. How'd you kick out, huh? What is this? Don't kick out of my move. Yeah. Get out of here. What? I thought I elbow dropped him. Hey! Back off. Get up. Yeah. Oh. You're gonna get up and you're gonna taste my fist. I'm just gonna take you down like this. There, and up in. You're dead. Oh. Hey! Get out of here with that. Ah! Disqualify him. He hit me. Back in here. I'm not done with you. Yay. Give me that. Oh. Yeah, take that and some of this. Ow.
I didn't know. And I fell asleep. I didn't know. And instead of Deanna saying
No,
to him, I'm going
please.
to bed,
Get off of me.
he goes to bed. And it's 10, quarter to 11.
Buh.
So I fell asleep. What happened? She was still upstairs. I nearly went to bed.
Come on, come on.
What happens when you don't tell?
Back off.
Buddy's coming tomorrow to get those 2 sinks. Did they call you? I called you.
Alright.
Yeah. She thought maybe something happened, because I'm usually there right at 9:30. And the phone rang, and I said,
Come on. What?
Evans.
Okay.
And I looked at the time, 10:30, and what the hell is she calling here for?
Oh God.
I picked it up, and
Get
I
him.
said, hello. And it was Erin. She said, did you forget about your kid? And she started
Oh.
laughing. I said, oh my God. I said, Danny must have, I said, I fell asleep. I said, Danny must have went to bed. I said, do you think that idiot will
Come on.
Matt was on a few minutes ago. Said you could tell I got a buzz on.
Uh. Yeah. Alright, I don't think he's getting up. So I'll just beat the crap out of Brad White for a while. No, I didn't. No, not you. Okay, okay, well, I guess you too. Oh. How's that not on the chair? Alright, whatever. Stay down. Uh, uh, uh. Winner. Oh. Oh, well, that's on fire. Okay. Oh. Why is my name all capital lettered? My status has improved by my attitude and my agility going down. Perfect. Well, he is disappointed. And I lost money because I do not have an actual job yet. God. Valhalla Power Monitor. I want to go all American. Just anything to get out of this job. Well, freaking this. Alright. 8 man? God. Well, I guess I'll do this in the next video. Yeah, well, I don't know how to end off videos, so I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna freaking. Okay, bye!